welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I create some beautiful home decor pieces. These pieces can be used for home or event decor. Okay, so this is from the Dollar Tree inspired. Of course, we have our bling from Totally Dazzled. Very beautiful bling, you guys. I have some rose gold, I have some silver, and I also have one that I am going to give away as a gift to one of you guys, one of you lucky winners. Okay, so I'm going to do a giveaway. As you can see, this is a lot of bling on here, and this is from Totally Dazzled, you guys. This is their big bling roll. Definitely worth it. If you would like to purchase it, you can go and use the affiliate link linked in my description box. Or you can also enter to win this big, huge roll of bling wrap. I will leave all of the directions that you would need to follow in order to enter and win this bling wrap. And this giveaway will go on through the rest of the month of February, and I will announce the winner on March the 1st. Okay, you guys, so let's carry on. So I'm going to use this rose gold paint from Michael's Craft Store, and if you want to purchase any decals from me, you guys, these are some decals that I cut out, and I am going to be selling them on my Etsy shop. There will be a link in the description box for some of the items that I have already on my Etsy shop. It's not fully stocked yet because I have a ton of things going on and I'm trying to get it stocked up, but I do have some things on there that you can go over there and check out, see if you're interested in purchasing anything from over there. And if you are, then by all means go ahead and do that, and I'll let you guys know more about that later. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. Sorry you guys, I could not upload the regular talking in the video because the kids got a little too loud and rowdy from school, and they were just making so much noise, you guys. I couldn't hardly hear myself even think. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use the sound that goes along with the video, and I am going to just let it play and let the music play, you guys. If there's anything or any questions you may have about how I created this look, then by all means please feel free to ask me in the comment section of the video. I will absolutely do my best to return your response as soon as I can. It's a very simple video. The directions should be clear enough, and if not, like I said, I don't mind answering your questions, so just hit me up with some. And if anyone is going over to my Etsy shop, I just want to give you a heads up that at this time it will not be live, but it should be live by the end of the week, hopefully. Fingers crossed, you guys. I know I said it would be live last week, but I actually had to go to the hospital and was in the hospital for a day, and so I was unable to catch up on getting my Etsy shop and stuff in order. So anyway, you guys, it's coming. It's just taking a little bit of time, but I thank you and appreciate your patience with me. Thank you so much, you guys, for your time, for watching. Please share this video if you care, and like always, I love you and I wish you the best. Love, peace, and blessings, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. All right, you guys, to be entered into the giveaway, I need for you to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share this video with someone, and also let me know what is your favorite DIY video that I completed in 2018 and what would you like to see me do for 2019. Thank you.